What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we got a package. You guys know that color and you know the logo that I'm talking about. You know who that's from. That's from RC Steve, guys. That's real cool. He has his own tape with his colors. Really like that, Steve. Let's go ahead and unbox this, guys. He had a sale during Thanksgiving, and I decided to grab something from him. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Check it out, guys. RC Steve step back. Really nice, really nicely packaged. If you guys are not following him, make sure you do go follow him on IG. Dirt McGirt as well. Check out their show on Mondays, Micro Mondays. Real nice patch in there. Slap pack. Really cool. Guys, make sure you go over and check him out. He's on YouTube as well. I'll put a link in the description down below. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.